Okay, so once you've installed the DHCP server, just go to the www directory, place the original Chinese firmware in the folder and rename it test.bin. After that you can start the software. So you can see it's all running on mine, but you may have to install the parts here and then run as admin. Once that's done, you should see it's all configured and running. Now you can go to a web browser and just go to 127.0.0.1 and there you should see your server running. Under the DHCP clients you should be able to see your router as it boots. Okay, hope that helps.